Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and I'm just making a quick video to thank all of you. As you can all see, we have finally reached 10,000 subscribers. It is super exciting, and sorry about the lighting outside. I just wanted to make a quick video after a dreadfully long day at work. But anyways, it's been a ton of fun so far making all of the reviews, and for those of you that have been following me basically from the start, you notice that I was super inconsistent at first, and then back in about March of this year I decided to commit to making a video every single day, and the channel has just grown so much since then, continues to grow, and I'm going to continue with the consistency with everything. And I mean, the biggest thing about this is just thanking all of you, and I'm going to give you guys a couple quick updates on future plans for the channel. So as always, I'm trying to work on getting more brands underneath kind of like the group of dealerships that I work with, essentially, to have for filming. And then I'm going to do kind of more of those comparison videos, because a lot of you guys seem to like those comparison videos that I do. And now let's kind of get more into like the, I guess, more personal side of things with the vehicle. So you guys can see my 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel. No, I'm not going to get a 2020 because I'm waiting for the TRX to come out. For sure gonna get that truck when it comes out. I just don't care. Like, that is the coolest thing ever. And then we have the C8 Corvette on order. That'll be a fun car for the channel. And then I did kind of talk to a couple of dealers about the Supra, because I'm gonna be waiting so many months to get the C8. I'm like, okay, well, maybe I'll do a Supra to kind of fill in the little bit of an area, but they want way too much money for it. Every single dealer wants at least $15,000 over a sticker. Some, I think I saw like 10, but not really, and so it's just not worth it for me. I just can't justify paying that much over sticker, because that's all dealer profit. The market, I doubt it's gonna hold its value that much, and so the market's going to adjust, and the used vehicles are gonna go for so much less money. So again, that's just all dealer profit. That money just completely gone. So yeah, sadly, that's not going to happen. But really, thank you everyone, like so much. I really appreciate all of your support, and I hope this shows a lot of you guys that just consistency and hard work, because I mean, I know that the videos that I make aren't the highest quality, they're not the best, but I'm consistent with it, and it's paid off so far, and it's going to continue to pay off. But as always, if you're stopping for the first time, I would really appreciate if you'd subscribe, obviously. Comment down below what you thought, and then I will see you in tomorrow's video.